What's up, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys already know who I am. Today I want to show you guys how to put together one of these Ryobi water misters, and these go outside, of course, in the patio or wherever you want to put them outside. So the reason I'm making this video is because it's not the first time I've actually installed one of these, and I know the instructions it comes with. If you're like me, I like to see pictures. Sometimes they're colored, sometimes they're not. But I like to see pictures to see how things go. These don't come with pictures. So we're going to go on ahead and open this box. Okay, and this is what we have in the box. These are the instructions that I tell you, and they do not come with pictures, so it's like not fun. So we'll set that right here aside. And then the parts that you're going to get is, you're going to get a whole bunch of these little tubes right here. You're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tubes. You're going to get this splitter. It's a hose splitter, right? But that we won't be using. You're going to get your water hose adapter. You are going to get the end cap adapter with a mister or a simple plug. You are going to get a whole bunch of these little things that you're supposed to use to be able to clamp your hose and kind of hold it in place. But since it's going to go on the metal tubing, I'm going to use some black electrical tape instead. So these you really don't need, but you can save them. You might need them for something else. And then you are going to get 6 misters with the misting tube in there already screwed on. So you are going to get 6 of those. Okay, now we can set this box aside, and I'm going to show you guys how to put it together. So the putting together part is very simple, but I know, like I said, without pictures and stuff, sometimes it gets a little confusing for some of us. So what you want to do is you want to get your ring. Now this is what's going to go connected to the water hose, okay? And it's got a little black ring inside, so it helps seal the water. So what you do, these are just automatic locking. So you put this in here and push it in, and that's it. And it stays in. So then you're going to get the other end of your hose, and that's when you're going to get your misters, and you're going to put it in, push it in place until it locks. They're self-locking, so that's really cool. You grab a hose, you slide that in, so on and so forth. Make sure you feel it when it slides all the way in and touches the other end or the base of the inside of the mister. You'll feel it when it stops. Because if you don't put it in there all the way, when you go connect your water and you turn it on, it's going to shoot out at you. So we're on the last one. Okay. So now, once everything is connected, just go back, tug on them, push in, pull out, push in, pull out, push in, pull out, and just make sure you double check all your little connectors. Now we're at the end. So now this is where you're going to ask yourself this question. This one does not have a mister in the middle, in the center like the other ones do. This is your end one. You slide that in there. So the way you're gonna install this is what's gonna say whether you need a mister at the end or if you need a plug at the end. Basically, I'm asking and letting you know that if you put the mister, which has a little hole in it, this one is a little different. It has a different shape than all the other ones. You'll see the difference. And this one is the plug. If you want water to come out of your end like this, then you're gonna use the mister. If you don't want any water coming out of the end, you're gonna use your plug. I want water. So I will put that in there, lock it in place, and it's good. To take it out, push it down, hold it, and then you can slide it up here. You gotta hold it with something because it does lock in there pretty good. So, there. So that comes out. Or if you want your plug, put your plug in, push down hard, you'll feel the click, try and pull it out. Once it doesn't come out, then you're good. It means it's sealed. So like I said, I want the mister, so I'll put that in there. And now I am locked into place and I'm ready to go outside and install it. So let's go on ahead and take a little trip outside and see where we're gonna put this. Okay, so we made it outside. So I already attached the watch your step. I already attached the one end to my water hose. This is just to show you guys how it works. It's not the way it's gonna stay. Okay, so then of course got splinters and stuff, but okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach this to the pole behind me. If you have zip ties, use zip ties. I was supposed to get some and I completely forgot. And I didn't want to go back to the store because it's literally a 40-minute drive for me. I live in a really rural area that's far away from everything else. So, right now, right here, what we're going to do is you're going to look for your misters and you're going to set these up where you want them to spray water. So this is all you're gonna do. Quiet, Daisy. I'm putting these up for our dogs because it gets really hot out here and I feel bad for them. So I put this shade, but the wind, as you can see, is already taking it down and really beating it up. We made them what was when we made it a very nice dog house, and they managed to destroy that too. I guess they needed a basement because they dug a big hole on the bottom. So you're just going to continue putting these across. You know, like I said, I'm doing this for our dogs, but a lot of people, of course, they install this for like their patios and stuff. So when they have company, they have a little bit of a mist going on. And it's really good, you know, it keeps everything fresh, it keeps everything cool outside, you know. Come over here so they can see how I'm doing this, please. So this is the end one where I told you guys that I want water to come out. So I use this instead of the plug. And the reason I use that instead of the plug is because I want to get as much water, as much mist as you know, out of these as I can for the dogs. They used to have a little swimming pool where they could go in and get wet, but then they thought it was a toy and they destroyed it. So once you have it all installed, okay, you see how this mist, you want them, you know, you want them facing in. So when you come to it, and if it's a little off, you can easily just twist it. See, like this one, you see how this one's facing? You can just twist it like that and put it exactly how you want. You see this one over here also? You see how this one is? Just get it and turn it, and it'll turn and get exactly where you and be exactly where you want it to be. And then you can go on ahead and put more tape. Like I said, you know, I was gonna use zip ties, but I forgot to buy them and I didn't want to drive another 40 minutes. So the next time I need to go to Home Depot, you know, I'll buy them. I'm doing this just to make sure that it's nice and tight where I need it to be. So I'm adding like extra tape for extra strength, I guess you could say. Just don't want these moving around too much. I want it to be more or less set where I put them. And I need a couple more pieces. And of course with zip ties, yes, it's a lot easier. So you see as I'm taping it, I'm putting it where I want it to be. I want it to be facing straight so it throws the mist inwards. Now the wind of course has a lot to do with it also. And so we're gonna put this one just for, like I say, just for right now. I'll put it up here. Just like that. Now I gotta go turn the water on. But like I said, it's just something that I'm putting together just so you guys can see how it is, how to put it together and how to actually install it. So this way when you guys do it, you know exactly how it goes and how to do it. So give me a second, I'm gonna go on ahead and turn the water on. Okay, so the water's turned on. I want you guys to see how it is. This end one. What you guys can see is letting out the mist. Excuse me. But yeah, all of them are working exactly the way I thought they would. It feels good. I can feel the mist. And yeah, so that's how you install a Ryobi outdoor misting system. Just like that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it's a helpful video for you guys, and I hope I was able to help you guys put the misting system together. And now that you guys see how it is, I gotta go on ahead and finish up installing it properly so it works 100%. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate your guys' time. Please leave those likes, comments, and the subscriptions of course help. And you guys already know, for us YouTubers, you guys watching these videos help us a lot. So thank you guys very much.